Everyone, you've heard the buzz around artificial intelligence. And let me tell you, it's not just hype. It is totally reshaping the job market. So today, we're going to dive into this AI career boom and show you exactly where the real opportunities are and, what it takes to grab them. Let's get into it.
It's the question pretty much everyone is asking these days, right? As tech keeps moving faster and faster, what jobs are actually going to be in demand? Well, the answer is getting a lot clearer, and it is pointing straight at AI.
And look, this is way more than just jumping on a trend. Companies are in this massive global race to find AI talent. Why? Because they desperately need people who can take these giant oceans of data and turn them into something useful, something that can predict what's next, automate the boring stuff, and help make smarter decisions faster. This whole thing is creating a brand new career landscape.
So who are these people, the architects of this whole AI revolution? Let's meet the key professionals who are right there on the front lines, the ones who are literally building our AI-powered future.
Okay, this table really shows you the variety of jobs out there. A great way to think about it is like a team. You've got your data scientists. They're kind of like the detectives, digging through massive amounts of data to find hidden patterns and stories. Then you have the machine learning engineers. They're the builders. They take those patterns and construct the actual algorithms that can learn and make predictions. And all the while, the AI researchers, they're the inventors, the ones pushing the limits of what's even possible. And they all work together with other specialists, like folks in robotics or consultants who help connect all this deep tech back to a company's strategy.
So, if those are the jobs, what does it actually take to become one of these pros? Let's break down the essential toolkit you're absolutely going to need for a successful career in AI.
A career in AI really starts with a solid technical foundation. There's just no getting around it. First up, you have to know a language, like Python. It's the king, home to all the essential tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Then, you really need a good handle on the math behind it all, especially things like linear algebra and calculus. Same goes for statistics, which is basically the language of making predictions. All of this comes together in data analysis, which is the skill of turning all those numbers into something that actually means something.
But let's say you've got the skills. How do you prove it in what's becoming a pretty crowded job market? Well, this is where certifications become so important. For a hiring manager who's sifting through hundreds of resumes, a recognized certification is like a giant flashing sign. It's not just a piece of paper. It's instant proof that you know your stuff, and it can give you a real edge over other people.
Okay, so you've built up your skills, you've got the credentials. Where can this career actually take you? Well, the cool thing is, it's not just a single narrow path. It's more like a massive web of opportunities that spreads across the entire economy.
This chart really drives home a key point. An AI career is not just for tech companies in Silicon Valley. The demand is absolutely everywhere. We're seeing it in finance, where AI can spot fraud in a fraction of a second. In healthcare, it's helping doctors spot tumors way earlier. In logistics, it's optimizing entire global supply chains. Honestly, these skills are like a passport to almost any industry you can imagine.
Now, this massive demand brings us to maybe the most important question for anyone thinking about building a career here. We know the opportunity is huge right now, but what about the long haul? Let's take a look at the future. This really is the big one, isn't it? If you're going to invest all this time and energy, you want to know, is the AI boom just a passing fad, or is this a real, permanent shift in how the world works?
The answer to that is a huge, confident yes. Think of it like this. AI is quickly becoming the basic foundation for everything, from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. So the need for experts who can build, manage, and innovate on top of that foundation, it's only going to grow. This isn't a bubble, it's the bedrock of our next technological age.
So, the AI career boom is here. It's happening now. The roles are defined, the skills you need are clear, and the future looks incredibly bright. The jobs we always talked about as professions of the future, well, they're the professions of today. The only real question left is, are you ready for it?